What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all of the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, meme coins, you name it. As long as it has some type of potential, we are checking it out on the channel, guys. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. In this video, we're going to be checking out Ben. Once again, guys, I am not fading this project because Bitboy Crypto is the founder. Well, we know the history of the project. Ben.eth is the actual creator, but Bitboy took control of the project, and Bitboy Crypto has one of the biggest influences in the crypto space. Even though there's a lot of controversy behind his brand and what he does, he is still one of the top influencers that has onboarded a ton of people to crypto. Thanks to Bitboy's platform, there were so many new people that got into crypto. I was one of those people that was watching Bitboy, was watching Bitboy's content amongst other content creators like Altcoin Daily. They're all connected people, and as long as Bitboy is in control of this project, I potentially see a huge gem. I potentially see that we have a huge gem on our hands. So a 10x from right now, it's at 60 million market cap. A 10x to 20 to 30x from here. I wouldn't rule it out, guys. I would not rule that out. $600 million in market cap or $1 billion in market cap. Come on, guys. It's not impossible. Bitboy has a lot of connections. He has a lot of connections. He knows a lot of the other top influencers. When he's talking to said influencers, clearly he could let them know about Ben. He could get people. When marketing comes around, he will be the best marketer because he got Wendy O. He could contact Wendy O. He could contact Altcoin Daily. He could even contact someone like Coin Bureau to talk about the project, right? He could contact CZ. Brian Armstrong from Coinbase. He has their connect. He has those type of connections, right? So the future for this project could potentially be very bright. There's a higher probability of success for this project. Now, nothing is guaranteed in crypto, obviously. So, excuse me, nothing is guaranteed. So don't think it's definitely gonna crush it and go crazy. But it has a higher probability of that because of who is in control of the project, right? We can see here it's trading sideways, man. It had people taking profits. Now it's trading sideways. But on the let's go to the broader markets real quick. The broader markets are looking a bit more bullish. We have the debt ceiling news coming up Wednesday. 2 days from now. 2 days from now, we have the debt ceiling news. Bitcoin and Ethereum is looking ready for a breakout, and when the market is bullish, projects in general get more bullish. And something like Ben, he makes one YouTube video, he gets more influencers, top influencers involved. Ben could absolutely crush it. No recent news. We checked out the influensive tweet already, but if we go to Ben.eth, he did another pre-sale called Loyal. This is a Web3 takeover of tokens and the NFT game. NFT Ben has only started. He was the original launch. He was the person that originally launched Ben token, and now we have the Loyal pre-sale. And Bitboy right here, spending time with the family, but he made a recent tweet. So the bots people reached out and said they would make an AI bot for me for what I want. I'm thinking a Bencoin reminder bot that takes snapshots of users who say negative stuff or they are selling. Then whenever it hits all-time highs, the bots reminds them that they made a big mistake. So you see that right here. I'm thinking a Bencoin reminder bot. So utility is already being developed. Bitboy has transitioned the project into a DAO, the Ben project into a DAO, and he's gonna keep pushing this project, man. And I'm sure other influencers will see that and they'll buy a bag and see what happens. And who knows, he could potentially reach out to them for marketing. I know in a lot of projects people always ask when marketing. It doesn't get any bigger marketing. There's no bigger marketing that you could get. Let's go back to Ben. there's no bigger marketing that you could get than one of the top influencers in the space behind the project, right? So yeah, let's be real, guys. It's Bitboy. Bitboy's up there, altcoin daily, and Bitboy, altcoin daily, maybe Crypto and Coin Bureau. Those are the top 4 people in the space. So yeah, it doesn't get any bigger marketing than having Bitboy Crypto being in control of the project. We found bots on Bitboy Twitter yesterday, also vouched by eth.ben. That's pretty wild. This went from me talking about whether this is an actual subset niche of meme coins to listed on Poloniex. So right here, Bitboy in talks with Poloniex. Ben listed on Poloniex, BitGet, Mexi. Like he has so much influence. Like huge exchanges like Poloniex or quote retweeting Bitboy, and it's the same thing for even bigger exchanges like Coinbase, like Binance. You can't rule those things out, rule those exchanges out when it comes to this project because of Bitboy's influence, right? So yeah, most recent tweet, BitGet, Ben is now listed on BitGet, which was on the 26th. And trust and believe more exchange listings will happen. 1 million followers. So right here, Twitter bio, last project, Ben. I'm saying, guys, logically speaking, there's a ton of there's a high probability, more probability of success, because crypto, to me, from what I've seen, it's all about hype. It's all about what the people are talking about. It's all about what has people's attention. We saw that with Pepe, and then all of the other meme coins came out, Mong, Ben, RFD, and a bunch of others. But once a project has attention and can maintain that attention and awareness, you know, the probabilities of success are higher than a lot of other projects, right? Imagine the project that you're bullish on right now. Like, you know, if there's a project that you're bullish on that's a low cap altcoin, you know, imagine it had a Bitboy, Ben Armstrong behind backing the project. Imagine what that would be like for your project. It brings so much more awareness. Controversy aside, I know a lot of people don't like Bitboy. Controversy aside, it still brings so much awareness to your project, and which in turn would bring new buyers to the project, right? So this is gonna be like a consistent thing with Ben, guys. So, you know, that's why I'm bullish on Ben, and the chart looks pretty bullish right now as well, guys. If you hold Ben, let me get your thoughts down below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Just started a Patreon with different tiers. My pick for tier is Crypto Elite. Early access to all my content, exclusive content, access to a Discord server where I'll be covering pre-sales, you know, new altcoins on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum, you name it. We're gonna do our best to come together as a community to get those gains. This is the first link in the description, guys. When you go to my video, it's gonna be the first link in the description. So become a Patreon, and you know, let's get these gains together, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.